Hi everyone, Kathy Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a record which is 33 1/3 and I've just put some black paint over it. I'm going to do a swipe and I'm going to be using obviously black but white and purple, and there's a bit of silicone in the purple, so that'll be alright. I'll just take that out and I think I might do it this way. Just, oh, it looks like a cupcake. Alright. So the recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find below Show More. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us. Over there, where's my purple? There we go. And that is so pretty, isn't it? And I'm just wondering if I put any more black on it, could darken it up too much. I'm making clocks. I know it's early yet, but they're going to be for Christmas gifts, so I kind of want really purty ones. And a trusty little cloth which has been dampened. Now that we're all in lockdown over here in Australia, it's a good chance to catch up and do things like this. Little cosy gifts. And I don't know how this is going to go. I haven't swiped a record before. Well, it's different. Don't like it. Alright, more white. And let me see, what have I got here? Alright, let me think quick. Where's the cup? Alright, this one will do. So I was doing white and some purple. Shaking up. Let's see how this goes. That's very ordinary. I'll just pour him out. I might put a bit more purple. There we go. Looking better already. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. You'll find a little subscribe word just below the video there, and next to it you'll see a bell. If you click that, you'll get notifications of when I put up new videos, which is probably the easiest way to keep up. Ah yes, this one's come up nice now. Right. Purple. Okay, wiping off the hands. And I like that one. Get there so I don't have that blow over the painting. Got a bit more in there. A little bit more purple, I might as well scratch that out. Along here. Right, and then I'll just give that a little rock and roll. Yes, that did nicely. Another wipe. I'll just give this a little torch. I'll bring you down to have a look. So I've said the subscribe, I've said the bell. I don't know if I mentioned Australia Art Dreaming, which is my Facebook group. You're more than welcome to click on that. There's a link down below, and come across and join us. So this is my purple and white one. That's pretty. I like this one. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give it the thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.